Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Maths Online class of class 3rd. Myself Priya, and I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, today I am going to teach you Unit 9, more on division. Division with regrouping. So pay attention here, all of you. Let's come on exercise 9a. First question is divide and check the answer. In A part, you have to solve 52 divided by 2. How you can do this question? 52 divided by 2. First you see 5 is in the table of 2 or not. It is not in the table of 2, so take the smaller number. 2 2s are 4, minus it 1. Now take down 2. 2 6 are 12. 12 आता है ना इसके टेबल में. Now remainder is 0. Now check the answer, and the formula of checking the answer is dividend equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. And here quotient is 52. Sorry, here quotient is 26 multiply 2 plus remainder is 0. So 26 to 52. It means it is correct. Now second one is second part 44 divided by 3. How you will do? 44 divided by 3. 4 is not in the table of 3, so take smaller number. 3 ones are 3, minus it 1. Now carry down 4. 14 is also not in the table of 3. You have to take a smaller number. 3 4s are 12, minus it, remainder is 2. Now again check the answer. Dividend equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder, and here quotient is 14 multiply 3 plus 2. 14 3 ja 42 plus 2, and here you will get 44. It means it is correct. Now C and D part you do yourself. Now question number 2a part. The question is you have to solve here 526 divided by 2. Here you can see 5, and 5 is not in the table of 2. Take a smaller number. 2 2s are 4, minus it 1. Now carry down 2. Here 12, and 12 is in the table of 2 now. So 2 6 are 12, minus it. Here 0. Now carry down 6. 2 3 are 6, minus it, you will get 0. Now these two, this one you do yourself, this one also you do yourself. Now come to C part. The question is 6408 divided by 4. Now 6 is not in the table of 4, so take a smaller number. 4 ones are 4, minus it 2. Carry down 4. 4 6 are 24, minus it. Now carry down 0. 4 zeros are 0, minus it 0. Now carry down 8. 4 2s are 8. Here remainder is 0. Now question number 3a part. 42 divided by 3 is given. How you will do? 42 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, minus it, remainder is 1. Carry down 2. 3 4s are 12. Here will be 14. Now next we will do E part of this question number 3. 96 divided by 8. 96 divided by 8. 9 is not in the table of 8, so take smaller. 8 ones are 8, minus 1. Now carry down 6. 8 2 just 16. The quotient is 12. Remainder is 0. Like this you do this one, and these three part you do yourself. Now question 4, A and B part you do yourself. and D yourself. C and D I am giving you. 67 divided by 5. 6 तो टेबल में आता नहीं है 5 के, तो इससे छोटा नंबर लेंगे हम. 5 1 जा 5 माइनस कैरी डाउन 1. नाउ टेक डाउन 7. 17 भी नहीं आता 5 के टेबल में, तो इससे छोटा नंबर देखेंगे. 5 3 जा 15 एंड 5 4 जा 20. 20 17 से ज़्यादा हो गया तो वो तो लेंगे नहीं, तो 5 3 जा 15 माइनस इट. Remainder is 2 and quotient is 13. Do like this. Now E part 75 divided by 6. 75 divided by 6. 6 7 भी नहीं आता 6 के टेबल में, सो 6 1 जा 6. स्मॉलर नंबर लेंगे, माइनस करिए. अब आप नीचे लाइए 5. 15 भी नहीं आता 6 के टेबल में, तो इससे छोटा नंबर लेंगे. 6 2 जा 12 एंड 6 3 जा 18. 6 3 जा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, तो आपको लिखना है 6 2 जा 12. रिमाइंडर इज़ 3. क्वोशंट इज़ 12. Now question 5, we will do here two. Question number 5, A part, B part, C part you do yourself. E and D and E I am telling you. 607 divided by 5. 607 divided by 5. 5 1 is 5 minus. Now carry down 0. 5 2 is 10 minus here 0. Now carry down 7. 5 1 is 5. Remainder is 2. Like this you do. Now next one is E part, question number 5. This one, 903 divided by 7. 9 तो आता नहीं है 7 के टेबल में, so what will you do? Take smaller number. 7 1 just 7 minus it 2 remainder. Now carry down 0. Carry down 0. 20 is also not in the table of 7, so take smaller here also. 7 2 is 14 minus 6 and carry down 3. 7 9 ja 63. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 129. Students, till question number 5 we do. Six to 10 we are reducing the questions. ये क्वेश्चंस आपको नहीं करने, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 तक कंप्लीट करना है. एग्ज़ाम्स में भी आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 तक तैयारी करेंगे इसमें. नाउ कम टू एक्सरसाइज 9C. स्टूडेंट्स 9B वी आर रिड्यूसिंग फ्रॉम यूनिट 9, सो डोंट नीड टू डू दैट. 9B नहीं करेंगे आप एग्ज़ाम के लिए, 9A और 9C करेंगे. सो पे अटेंशन हियर. These are word sum. Question number 1 is, a bus has 8 rows of seats. Each row has equal number of seats, and if 48 children can sit in the bus, how many seats are there in each row? So what will you do? You have to divide 48 by 8. You have to divide 48 by 8. So we are dividing 48 here. 48 is in the table of 8 now. So 8 6 is 48. Right here 8 6 is 48 minus it, remainder is 0. Here you can see there are 6 seats in the each row. The answer is 6 seats. Now B part, the question is 112 pencils were divided equally among 9 children. कितने बच्चों में डिवाइड किए हैं इक्वली? 9 चिल्ड्रन में 112 पेंसिल्स. हाउ मैनी पेंसिल्स डिड ईच चाइल्ड गेट? हर एक बच्चे को कितनी पेंसिल मिली और हाउ मैनी पेंसिल्स वर लेफ्ट, और कितनी बच गई. सो हियर ऑल्सो यू हैव टू डिवाइड 112 बाई 9. 9 1 जा 9 1 तो छोटा नंबर है 9 से, तो आपको 2 डिजिट लेना पड़ेगा। अब 11 भी 9 की टेबल में नहीं आता, तो आप क्या करेंगे, 9 1 ज़ा 9, उससे छोटा नंबर लेंगे 11 से। 9 1 ज़ा 9 माइनस इट 2, कैरी डाउन 2। 22 भी नहीं आता 9 की टेबल में, तो इससे छोटा नंबर देखिए आप। 9 2 ज़ा 18 माइनस इट, द रिमाइंडर इज़ 4। सो ईच चाइल्ड गोट 12 पेंसिल्स। क्वेश्चन हमारा 12 है ना, तो हर एक बच्चे को 12 पेंसिल्स मिली, और कितनी पेंसिल्स में बची हैं, 4 पेंसिल्स वर लेफ्ट। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, टॉम स्टक 76 photos in his album. If he stuck 4 photos in on each page, how many pages did he use? टॉम ने कितनी फ़ोटोज़ एल्बम में चिपकाई हैं, टोटल 76, और हर पेज पे उसने 4 फोटोज़ चिपकाई हैं। तो अब उसने कितने पेज यूज़ करे, अब आपको ये निकालना। तो इसके लिए आप 76 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे, and you can see here 7 is not in the table of 4, so you have to take a smaller number than 7. 4 1s are 4, minus it, remainder is 3. Now carry down 6. 36 is in the table of 4. 4 9s are 36, minus it, remainder is 0. Here you can see he used 19 pages. Now fourth question, Mo can cut 7 pieces out of 1 cake. How many cakes does she need for 84 guests? ये कह रहे हैं कि एक केक में से वो 7 पीस कट करेगा, तो उन्हें कितने केक्स की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी अगर उन्हें 84 गेस्ट को केक देना है। तो आपको यहाँ क्या करना है, 84 को 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे, एंड 8 इज़ नॉट इन द टेबल ऑफ 7, सो यू हैव टू टेक स्मॉलर नंबर देन 8. 7 1 is 7, minus it 1. 4 you carry down 14. Now 7 2 is 14, remainder is 0. Now here she can use 12 cakes to offer 84 guests. Now next is 127 flowers were divided equally to make 8 rangolis, and how many flowers were used for each? How many flowers were left? So 8 रंगोली बनाने के लिए उसने 127 फ्लावर्स को इक्वली बांटना है। तो वो कह रहे हैं उसने कितने फ्लावर्स यूज़ किए और कितने फ्लावर्स बच गए। सो व्हाट विल यू डू, यू हैव टू डिवाइड 127 बाय 8. So 8 1s are 8, minus it 4, remaining 4, and now carry down 7. 8 5s are 40, minus it, remainder is 7. So here 15 flowers were used and 7 flowers were left. Now students, listen carefully. This part you don't need to do, we are reducing this, only this much you do in the books only, and do practice for these questions for exam. Do practice of these questions for exam. Now review worksheet 3. You have to do in your homework. I am just telling you how to do. First question is multiply 35 multiply 2. Like this, 2 5s are 10, right here 0, 1 carry, 2 3 is 6 plus 1 70. The answer is 70. Now B part, 47 multiply 7. 7 7 is 49, write 9 and 4 carry. 7 4s are 28 plus 4 32. The answer is 329. Like this you do multiply questions. And now question number 2. Here you have to multiply 24 by 60. So first step you have to multiply 24 by 0. 0 4s are 0, 0 2s are 0. अब आप 0 के नीचे क्रॉस लगाएंगे, और इन सेकेंड स्टेप यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 24 by 6. 6 4s are 24, राइट हियर 4, take 2 carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14. Now add these 0 4 4 1. The answer is 1440. Like this you do all parts. Now question number 3, A part, 32 multiply 48. In first step you have to multiply 32 by 8. 8 2 is 16, 1 carry, 8 3 is 24 plus 1 25. Now put cross under 6. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. Now add these The answer is 1136. Like this you do all parts in your books only, no need to write in copies, only do practice there. Now question number 4, divide and check the answer. In a part you can see you have to solve 39 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, minus it, right, remaining 1, carry down 9, 19 is not in the table of 2, so take smaller number, 2 9 ja 18, minus it, remainder is 1. So for checking the answer you have to write here 19 multiply 2 plus 1, you will get 39. And I have already told about this, the formula of checking the answer. Dividend equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Now question, these also you do yourself in book. Now question number 5, divide a part. First question is 198 divided by 3. You can see here 1 is smaller than 3, so you have to take 2 digit first, and 19 is not in the table of 3, so you have to take the smaller number. 6 ja 18, minus it, 1 remaining. Now carry down 8, 3 6 ja 18, minus it, remainder is 0. B parts, 723 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, minus it, remaining 0. Now carry down 2. अब 2 तो जा नहीं सकता 7 से, so what will you do? Put 0 here. Now again you carry down 3. आपको दूसरा नंबर उतारना पड़ेगा, और दूसरा नंबर उतारने के लिए पहले आप ऊपर क्वेश्चन में 0 ऐड करेंगे, then you can carry down 3. 7 3s are 21, minus it, remaining is 2. Like this you do these part also properly. Now listen carefully students. अब आपके एग्ज़ाम्स आने वाले हैं 5 अक्टूबर से. सो फॉर दिस व्हाट विल यू डू? बिफोर द एग्ज़ाम, जब भी आपके एग्ज़ाम स्टार्ट होने वाला हो, आप अपने टाइम से पहले ही एटलीस्ट 4 पेजेस पे आप अपना फुल नेम, फादर्स नेम, क्लास सेक्शन, रोल नंबर और सब्जेक्ट लिख कर रखेंगे, और कैपिटल लेटर्स में लिखेंगे. And after finishing your exam you have to send the answer sheet to the teacher's private chat, teacher's personal chat. okay, जो पर्सनल चैट होगा टीचर का, जो भी आपके टीचर एग्ज़ाम लेंगे उनका नाम सर्च करेंगे और उनके पर्सनल चैट पे आप आंसर शीट भेजेंगे, और आपको एग्ज़ाम की जो टाइम दी होगी उससे 15 मिनट्स के अंदर अंदर आपको अपना आंसर शीट भेजना है, अदरवाइज़ वी विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट योर आंसर शीट. टाइमली आपको अपना पेपर फिनिश करके 15 मिनट्स के अंदर आपको अपना आंसर शीट सेंड करना है. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ थैंक यू एवरीवन, कीप लर्निंग एंड स्टे सेफ एट होम.